Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chukunonso Captures, aka Mazi. Check 'em, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon, and welcome back to Photo Lab. Shout out to all my clients out there. You are appreciated. Special thanks to all the models out there. You keep me inspired. One love to all my supporters on social media. You keep me going. Alright, so you saw the thumbnail picture, you saw the title of the video, and you clicked on it, and here we are, right? So I'm not going to waste any time, I'm going to jump right into it, and I'm going to answer your question. Alright, so maybe you've taken some pictures before, right? You saw something nice, and you took your camera out, and you said, check 'em, right? Maybe you've played around with some editing software and things like that, and just kind of played around with different types of editing software and done some things on your computer. Maybe you've gone on Instagram and you've seen some really cool pictures that other photographers have taken, right? And you want to know, do you definitely need both Photoshop and Lightroom before you actually spend your money, right? So the answer is yes, you definitely need both Photoshop and Lightroom. Please subscribe to my Instagram channel so that you can get a notification whenever I drop my follow-up video to this video. And in that follow-up video, I will show you real-life example pictures so that you can see when you definitely need Photoshop, when you also definitely need Lightroom, because you're gonna need both for different types of photography workflows and to get different types of effects and looks, and it just really helps you become a better photographer. So the way my photography mentor basically explained it to me a while back was that Photoshop is basically for making portraits, and Lightroom is for kind of like events or anything where you're taking a whole bunch of pictures and you need to do some batch editing. You need to kind of like apply the same type of the same type of edit, you know what I'm saying, to a bunch of pictures, and you don't necessarily need to go into extreme detail and like editing, someone's face and hair and all of that stuff and their skin and all that stuff. It's just kind of like maybe some events or some landscapes, some nature photography, things like that, right? So that's like doing a whole batch of pictures. That's for Lightroom. Photoshop, like I said, is for a portrait, like one specific type of picture that you really want to get some really hardcore, really nice looking special effects on, just like a model's picture, like their face, or something like a creative conceptual shot where you need a bunch of like more detail and more attention to detail and a lot of time. So those are both scenarios. As a professional photographer or even an amateur photographer who's doing it for fun, you're probably going to need to do a little bit of both for both scenarios. So like I said, I'm going to post a video where I'm going to go into more detail and show you exactly when you'll probably need both, you know what I'm saying? And so subscribe and be on the lookout for that. And in the meantime, while I'm preparing that video for you guys, feel free to check out my Instagram in the description below. That's a good place where you can go to see lots of different examples of pictures that are just raw, fresh out the camera, no editing, pictures that I've done with Lightroom, like events and weddings and things like that, pictures that portraits that I've done in Photoshop, and you'll get a good set of examples so that you understand a little bit better about how the different editing softwares really enhance your pictures. Alright, so if this video helped clear up that preliminary question, please let me know in the comment section below. If it really helps you, again, hit the like button. Let me know in the comments, do you have both Photoshop and Lightroom? Do you have just one or the other? Which one do you use more? Things like that. So I'm going to go into more detail in the videos after this, but just let me know what you think. Do you use both often? Which one do you like using more than the other? But yeah, I look forward to hearing what you guys have to say in the comment section. So please like this video and share it with a friend who might also have the same type of question. And anyone else who also does photography too, or who likes to edit as well. And yeah, thanks, I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Happy shooting, and I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Take care, guys.